AI is the most overwhelming thing.
If you want to make a lot of money online,
every single week there's a new AI tool being
There's a new AI tool being launched every
so far by using AI to sell products for me that I didn't even create myself, as you can see here on my screen.
Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk sipping coffee, and with just a few clicks, you've earned your first $100. No, this isn't a dream, and you don't need a big investment. It's AI. What if I told you that AI isn't just for tech giants or science fiction? It can help you make real money today, no matter your skills. Sounds impossible? Think again. Today we're diving into how you can make money using the power of AI. Welcome to the Elite Tech Channel, the place where we break down the latest tech trends, tools, and hacks that can boost your income. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or just curious about how to make AI work for you, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to explore 25 ways you can use AI to make money, whether it's a side hustle or a full-time business. Stick around to the end because I'll also share how you can get started today with almost no upfront cost. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. Let's kick things off with the gig economy. Everyone knows freelancing is a great way to earn money, but AI is turning it up a notch. Here's how: AI content creation. If you've got a way with words, or even if you don't, AI can help you write articles, blogs, and even books. Tools like Jasper or Copy.ai are game changers for content creators. I know freelancers who've started earning thousands a month by leveraging these tools to deliver high-quality content fast. Voiceover. Work with AI isn't just about text, it's also about voice. You can use tools like Descript or Synthesia to create professional-sounding voiceovers for ads, videos, or podcasts. The cool part? You don't need to be a trained voice artist. AI-powered design. If design isn't your forte, no worries. AI tools like Canva and Fodor use AI to help you create stunning graphics, logos, and even full marketing campaigns. You can offer your services as a graphic designer without knowing any complicated software. AI transcription services. Need to transcribe meetings or videos? AI can do it in minutes. Services like Otter.ai and Rev.com let you offer transcription services without breaking a sweat. And let me tell you, people pay top dollar for accurate transcriptions, especially in legal, medical, and corporate fields. Now, let's talk about something that might sound a bit more technical, but stick with me here because it could be the game changer for your income. AI for business owners. Whether you've got a small business or a growing empire, AI can revolutionize your operations and your bottom line. Automating social media management. Running social media ads is one thing, but managing them effectively is another. AI-powered tools like Hootsuite's AI Assistant or Buffer use machine learning to optimize your posts, suggest content, and even schedule them for peak times. Business owners are saving countless hours with AI automation while making more money. AI for customer support. AI chatbots like ChatGPT or Intercom are transforming how businesses interact with customers. These bots can handle customer inquiries 24/7, solve problems, and even suggest products, all while reducing your costs and improving customer satisfaction. Business owners, imagine not having to respond to emails and messages at 2 a.m. anymore. AI-powered email marketing. AI-driven email tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign analyze your email list to figure out exactly what content will get you the best ROI. They can even write personalized email copy. No more guessing about your marketing strategy, just results. Now here's a cool section for all you techies and creatives who love making money off of your art. Let's dive into AI and creativity. AI isn't just about business, it's also about creativity. Here's how artists, photographers, and designers are making money with AI. Selling AI art platforms like Artbreeder and Deep Dream Generator allow you to create mesmerizing digital art using AI. Artists are selling this AI-generated art on platforms like Etsy, DeviantArt, and even directly to buyers. Some pieces are going for hundreds of dollars. AI music composition. Music lovers, this one's for you. AI platforms like Aiva or Amper Music let you compose original music with just a few clicks. You can sell your compositions to creators who need background scores for videos, ads, and even video games. AI photography editing. If you're into photography, AI tools like Luminar AI and Photoshop's AI-powered features can enhance your photos with ease. You can offer AI photo editing as a service to clients looking for quick results without compromising quality. We've covered a lot, but there's still more to explore. This next section is for all you entrepreneurs and side hustlers who want to scale up fast using AI. If you're serious about making money with AI, you're probably wondering how to scale up. Well, here's how AI can take your business to the next level. AI for market research. AI tools like Crayon or Talkwalker can help you analyze market trends, track competitors, and even predict future movements. With this data, you can make smarter business decisions that'll give you a massive edge. AI-powered content strategy. Creating content that converts can be tricky, but AI can help you figure out exactly what your audience wants. Tools like MarketMuse use AI to suggest topics, optimize your content, and even help you write it. AI for affiliate marketing. AI can help you optimize your affiliate marketing campaigns by analyzing performance data and suggesting the best products to promote. Platforms like PMax AI let you scale your affiliate income by automating many of the tedious tasks. Now, let's talk passive income. Yes, I said it. Passive income. AI can help you earn money while you sleep. Here's how. Creating and selling AI chatbots. By creating and selling your own AI-powered chatbots, you can set up automated income streams. Businesses are always looking for ways to optimize customer interaction, and you can provide them with the solution. AI-driven online courses. If you've got expertise in any field, AI can help you create online courses. Platforms like Thinkific or Teachable use AI to help you create and market courses that generate passive income over time. All right, now that you know how AI can help you make money, what are you waiting for? Start using these tools today and take the first step towards building your AI-powered income stream. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the Elite Tech channel, and share this with someone who needs to see it. Also, drop a comment below. Let me know which of these 25 ideas you're most excited to try. And if you want to learn more about how to use AI to level up your business, check out our next video. See you next time.